Hello students, good morning all of you. Well, I hope you have been done the exercise 5.23. Okay, so today I will teach you the next term of chapter 5, basic geometrical idea. Today's topic is circles. So today we will discuss about circles. Circle means a circle is a simple closed curve, not a straight curve. Okay, all the points of which are at the same distance from a given fixed point. They remain constant. For example, wheels, the sun, the moon, 1 rupee coin, etc. Here you have given a fixed point O, and the distance between OB, OP, OA are same. That means they remain constant. Clear? And here OP is called radius, AOB is called diameter, and AR is called chord. Okay, so there are different parts of circle, like center, radius, chord, diameter, circumference, arc, secant, semicircle, major and minor arcs, segment, sector, etc. So let's go for study one by one. What is center? Center, the fixed point in the plane, which is equidistant from every point on the boundary of a circle. Second, radius. Radius means the fixed distance between the center and any point of a circle. Between center and any point of a circle is called radius. Here OP is called radius. Chord. A line segment joining any 2 points. Line segment joining any 2 points. Any 2 points means here point A to R. Line segment AR is called chord. Diameter, a chord that passes through the center of a circle. Here AB, you can say AOB is a chord, and you can say longest chord that passes through the center. So this is called diameter. Length of a diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Please guys, remember the length of a diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay. Now circumference, the distance around a circle. Is called circumference. Arc, a part of a circumference of a circle is called an arc. Here AB is the part of a circumference, so arc AB, we can say arc AB. Second, a line passing through a circle and intersecting the circle at 2 points. Here you can see the given example, given picture. A line passing through a circle and intersecting the circle at 2 points is called a secant. In the adjoining figure, AB is a secant of the circle AB. This is arc AB and this line is called secant. Okay. Semicircle, the end point of a diameter. The end point of a diameter of a circle divide the circle into two equal parts. Each part is called semicircle. Here semicircle PRQ and another semicircle is PSQ. Okay. Now major and minor. Major and minor arcs of a circle. If the arc of a circle is greater than the semicircle, it is called major. You can see here, this is major arc and this is called minor. Why? Because the arc of a semicircle, the arc PQ is larger than arc this PQ. In the figure you can say ACB, in above picture ACB is the minor, whereas ADB is the major arc. Okay. Now segment. When a chord of a circle divides the circular region into two parts, each part is called segment. Each part is called segment. While the segment not containing the center is called the minor segment. So there are two types of segment, minor and major. You can see here, this is minor sector and this is major sector. Okay. Interior and exterior of circle. Interior means inside the circle and exterior means outside the circle. Here C and no, only C. C is the exterior point and point A, O are the interior and point B is consisting of the point, the circle itself. Okay. So guys,